Got another.
Well, Jeb, you know my guess.
Bone stock.
This thing does have a small tire.
Bone stock C6Z. So 469, Eric.
Yep.
I'll go with 455 today.
474.
474. Ooh. Matthew, you got one for me?
Are they little or is it just looking little? I think the rims are smaller. I love those wheels. I guess I'll go high. Based off Eric's recommendation.
I can't leave my number.
485.
Whoa.
Those wheels are light too.
Oh.
Yeah, they're nice fucking wheels. I love them things. By far my favorite wheel on the C6. F this.
Yeah, bone stock.
Got Corsa.
I was got a Corsa.
Kidding me?
No way.
Yeah.
Guess those wheels being lighter didn't really help you out.
They helped me
They
out.
helped you out, but not Matt.
Stage 3 on a C6Z.
Yep, stage 3. So you're gonna get some heads, cam, intake, headers. That's about it, right?
That's here you go.
Yeah.
You're on a roll, man.
We are on a roll.
You're on a roll.
I like these wheels though.
Yeah, Matt likes them too.
Yeah, they're pretty sweet.
They look weird because they're too small for the vehicle, in my opinion.
You think? What size? Let me see what size
You
are
can
they.
see it in the
They're
rears.
18s? Yeah.
You can see it in the rears more.
Well, it's kind of hard because the suspension isn't having any weight on it right now, but I get what you're saying.
What's on the ground you'll see. It
Yeah.
doesn't fill out the wheel well.
So are you doing the headers right now first?
Yeah, I'm getting the radiator out and all that nonsense. I usually take the exhaust off the heads last because that's the last thing I'll do before I pull the heads.
Okay. I just saw you had the mid pipe or X pipe, whatever they call it
I
out.
just do that while the stuff is draining, so I'm not just standing there looking at it
Yeah.
drain, you know what I'm saying?
50th anniversary Camaro, Matt. Getting stage 3, I believe.
I have no idea what the fuck a stage 3 is, but sounds right.
Yeah, and some valve covers.
Gonna have this thing done in a day. I'll be waiting fucking a week for valve covers. All right, let's try again.
I'm gonna try again.
I'll do it again.
Yeah.
There he is. Do it again.
Hey guys, this week's in fucking Camaro Garage. We got a 50th gen.
50th anniversary. Did I say Gen?
I like to call them 50th gens.
50th Gens. That's a good name for him.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they only put 47 places on the car. Yeah, they really went all out with the decals. This guy is personally part of the heavy hitters. Big Camaro club.
What, heavy hitters?
Heavy hitters.
Yeah. That used to belonged to them back in the day.
Yeah.
Did you actually physically look at the wheels in that box?
Yeah.
Oh, that didn't. Are they nice?
They look similar to what's on there, man.
They look similar to the Corvette wheels.
I'll tell you what's not good. This O2 seeds in here and it's really affecting the way
Did
it
you
is.
get it with the old WD trick or what?
No, like I can't even get it to snap loose. Out.
I mean, it's not
You got that
there.
there.
It's just gonna have to come the out with the
Sounds like you got a little bit of a worrisome issue.
manifold.
Worried some issue. That's a good one. Yeah. I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got it.
People just put Everclear in a bottle. Oh, sunshine. It's not.
Do another one, but just let it go a little further and see if it starts coming down. Because these things, honestly, it's like high 12s, low 13s, they're okay. It's like right when you got up, it was like 13.5 and it was starting to come down. But breakfast, you know what I mean, Doug? Let's see, make sure I got everything, and then we'll head out.
I'm gonna guess to say you don't, but let's just give her a little lift and see.
Yep.
As suspected.
We caught on the bolt or something? Caught on this bolt right here? I don't think so.
Kind of hurts.
Straight over here, straight over here, straight over here. Let's go, go, go. Probably won't be filming this.
I would just,
I am worried. He's upset.
one step closer.
Did you see the license plate frame on this is melted?
Yeah.
From the flame, from flames, I guess. Yeah.
Here's 2, 4, 6, and here's 8. Why does it look like it had a lot of moisture or something like that in there? This is like rusted. And these barely any runtime
You
on
can
these
fit
things.
in there, Mama. Okay.
Kirsten,
What?
who's Steven Tyler singing for?
Aerosmith.
What's up?
Oh, can you give me a fucking second to
I didn't know his
answer?
name was Kirsten.
What? What are you trying to like quiz her or something? Matt only knows
What, girl?
Nickelback.
And Savage Garden.
What's this, Mama?
He knows Tinder very well, too.
Yeah, it's awfully strange.
Almost done. Getting there.
Yep.
So stage 3, heads, cam, headers, intake. Do we do anything else small?
Nope. Full stage 3.
Okay. All right.
From a stock car, I guess.
I believe it was stock when it came in. Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say because we did headers, VARAM, all that, so it didn't have any of that when it came in. So.
they did pretty good.
Average.
Yeah. 613 and 521.
Yeah,
Not bad.
that'll run good.